In this week's parasha, we find the famous Shira. As Bnei Yisrael crossed the Yam Suf, they were inspired to sing a Shira thanking Hashem for saving them from Mitzrayim and for making us His people. Now, it's interesting. There's one line in the Shira which is very, very fascinating. They said, "Zeh Keli, this is our God." They were to point and say, "Zeh Keli, this is our God, ve'anvehu, and we will exalt Him." And the Mefarshim tell us that ve'anvehu means that they accepted upon themselves to build the Beit HaMikdash, which is interesting. Why, when you have so many years and so much history, why specifically at the depth of the sea and underneath the Yam Suf, when they're being freed, did they become inspired to build a Beit HaMikdash? It's interesting. There's a fascinating Ramban in Shir HaShirim, the second parak, that tells us that when a person feels a little bit of inspiration, any inspiration, it is important that they grasp that inspiration and do something physical with it. Do something so that inspiration is not momentary, but actually makes an impact on our lives. The reason that Bnei Yisrael chose that moment to say, we're going to build a Beit HaMikdash, is because that way they've done something with what they've experienced. It's not just a passing happenstance, but something real, something that affects them forever. Shabbat Shalom.